What if the real reason for your sciatic pain has been hiding in plain sight inside your own diet? And what if I told you it's a nutrient deficiency almost no one connects to this specific agony? That sharp, radiating pain shooting down your leg is often blamed on a slip disc or a pinched nerve. But medical research is uncovering a hidden trigger that's frequently missed. The culprit could be a severe lack of a specific, essential vitamin. So, which vitamin is the missing piece for so many people? Let's find out. The critical nerve vitamin, B12. Your nervous system relies on vitamin B12 as a fundamental building block. It's like the essential fuel that creates the protective insulation around your nerves. Without enough of it, that insulation wears thin. This leaves major nerves, like your sciatic nerve, exposed and highly vulnerable to inflammation, leading to that familiar burning or stabbing sensation. A long-term shortage can even cause permanent nerve issues. Who is most at risk? The tricky part is that a B12 deficit can creep up on you. Symptoms emerge so slowly they're easy to dismiss. Those eating a plant-based diet, older adults, and people with gut absorption problems are at the highest risk. Why? Because B12 is naturally abundant only in animal products. A standard blood test is your best bet to know for sure. But here's the twist that makes this so frustrating for sufferers. How deficiency worsens your pain. When your body is starved of B12 over many months, its ability to repair nerve damage plummets. This means even if the original pressure on your nerve is relieved, the pain might not fade. The deficiency itself can keep the pain signals firing. It's a vicious cycle where the lack of a single nutrient blocks your path to recovery. Your diet could be quietly attacking your nerves. The surprising role of vitamin D. Vitamin B12 isn't the only player here. A lack of vitamin D can also turn up the volume on pain. This sunshine vitamin is a master regulator of inflammation and how your brain perceives pain signals. Low levels, common in winter or with limited sun exposure, can make you far more sensitive to nerve discomfort. Spotting the silent signs. How can you tell if you're deficient? The signs are often vague, but telling. For B12, think constant fatigue, brain fog, or muscle weakness. For vitamin D, watch for persistent muscle aches and getting sick often. If these sound familiar alongside your sciatica, you found a major clue. Fueling your nerve health. To fight back, you need to feed your nerves the right materials. For B12, focus on fish, meat, eggs, and dairy. Vegans should strongly consider fortified foods or a quality supplement. For vitamin D, eat fatty fish and, most importantly, seek safe sun exposure. The big question is, could this be the simple solution you've been searching for? Conclusion. While spinal issues get all the blame, a simple vitamin deficiency might be the hidden engine behind your stubborn sciatic pain. Correcting a shortfall in B12 or D could be the key that finally unlocks your relief. If standard treatments have failed you, this is the very first place you should look. And if you found this insight helpful, do this one thing for me. Please hit the like button and make sure you're following Natural Life Hacks for more truths about your health.